Well, there's no question that getting the John Lewis Act passed is a challenge, and voting rights advocates from all over the country are ramping up the pressure this week. But as we've seen, there's a lot going on. The President of the United States talking about it. Now, BNC's White House correspondent Rarione Maniece joins us live from Capitol Hill as the vote gets underway. And Rarione, it has been an incredibly busy day. Even the President of the United States talking about what happened on the House. Talk to me more about it, please.
Yeah, right now, the House, they are debating the John Lewis Voting Rights Advancement Act. Now, this measure is expected to pass in the House due to the Democratic majority in the lower chamber, but the test is always the Senate due to the 50-50 makeup of the upper chamber. Now, the voting measure, named after the late civil rights Congressman Lewis, stands to expand federal oversight of state election laws, as well as strengthening the Voting Rights Act of 1965 amid this ongoing battle that we are seeing on the state level, where Republican legislators are passing these restrictive voting bills. Now, as you mentioned, Kelly, it's been a busy day here in Washington in regards to voting rights. Ahead of today's House vote, voting rights advocates, they gathered in front of the White House to put pressure and the spotlight on the Biden administration. This rally was organized by the League of Women Voters and People for the American Way, with other leading civil rights and democracy organizations. Activists say this is not a new fight, and it's one that has been going on for far too long, and they're pledging to not cease until voting rights is a priority for the Biden administration, and President Biden calls for the Senate to end the filibuster. Now, as you see in this video, activists, they attempted to be arrested, which is a key tactic, civil disobedience that we are seeing during these voting rights demonstrations, but Park Police, they refused to arrest them. We have no word as to why they decided to do so. Now, before that act of civil disobedience, we had the opportunity to speak to Ben Jealous, who is over the People for the American Way, as well as Damian Hewitt. Take a listen.
No voting rights bill of any merit is going to get through unless the Senate removes the filibuster as an obstacle. And the only way that's going to happen is if President Biden himself calls on them to do it. We saw President Trump do this to pack the U.S. Supreme Court. President Biden can certainly do it to save our democracy.
We know that what the intent is. The intent is to neutralize, to stifle the voices of black and brown voters who are increasingly becoming either majorities or pluralities in districts and states throughout the country. That's the intent. And there's a reason why these are happening in a wave throughout the country. It's a playbook. It's a partisan playbook. It also happens to be a racist playbook.
Now, as you see, advocates are telling President Biden to act with a sense of urgency to deliver election reform bills. They are driving home the point that these bills affect communities of color, low-wage workers, young people, those with disabilities, and they're saying that those are the people that put the president in the White House. Now it's time for him to deliver. Now, during the House debate on the John Lewis Voting Rights Advancement Act, we're hearing Republicans continue to speak out against this bill. They are calling this bill a power grab by Democrats. They're saying that the country is not facing Jim Crow era voting rights bills, and they're saying that Democrats are pushing a false narrative. Now, if and when this bill passes out of the House chamber, we know it will move over to the Senate, which is why we are seeing these voting rights advocates continue to call for President Biden to put his full weight behind eliminating the filibuster, which continues to be a roadblock for Democrats to pass any election reform legislation. Kelly.